Hey everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video here. Today we're showing you how to set up your own domain for your Minecraft server through Cloudflare. So pretty much the first thing would be you have to go to your domain here. So I've actually got a domain with spaceship.com, and I've got this domain which is actually expiring in 2 days, but it doesn't really matter. But what you need to do is you actually have to update the name servers, and you actually need an account with Cloudflare. So once you've done that, you get this option where you need to add a domain. So I'm just going to add my domain here. So it's going to be aerocraft.buzz, and I can just click continue. And once that's done, you can actually like scan for DNS records which are already done. So maybe if you already have like some A records for your website or such, you can like make sure that you don't lose them and such. So just make sure you go with the free plan just like I did, and check here for the quick scan. But as you can see, there is nothing, so you can just continue to activation, and you can actually like click confirm because I'm going to show you that later. So now you just need to update the name servers over here. So make sure you're updating both these name servers. So this is like the first one and this is the second one. So let's just change it to our custom ones. So here you go, it's actually updated, and click save name server settings, and it's been updated over there. So it's gonna say 48 hours, but most of the time it's actually done in like a few hours, so you don't need to worry about that. So as you can see, I'm at the DNS part over here. So pretty much you need to do two particular records. So many of the YouTubers actually just blindly teach you, and that's not something I want to do because you need to understand what you're doing. So if you can look properly, it's actually a particular subdomain. So if you just type mc, it's actually mc.aerocraft.bus, which is actually a subdomain which is actually pointing to an IPv4 address. So it's actually the same thing as this. As you can see, it says sg1.aspirehosting.in. And sometimes if you see hosting providers who provide this kind of IPs rather than a numeric IP, you actually don't need to create an extra A record. But just for the sake of the video, I'll create an A record. So to obtain the IP, I'm just going to like ping it once. So pretty much you're actually just creating an A record which is actually pointing to the IP. So as you can see, it's actually pointing to the IP over here of the Minecraft server, of course, and you can just save it over here. And now you need to create an SRV record. So you just create an SRV record, and yeah, don't forget that you actually have to do some kind of stuff like Minecraft and then TCP. So remember, it has to look exactly like this. And then if you want a prefix for your Minecraft server like MC, so you can do that over there, and make sure the priority is 0, weight is 0, port needs to be the same port of your Minecraft server, which is 2007. And this is the part where I was actually talking about the A record thing. So you could either put mc aerocraft.buzz, which would actually point to the IP. So, or you can even directly enter the A record which is provided by some hosts. So you could do that and nothing is going to change because both these subdomains are actually just simple A records that are pointing to the IP. So you can actually just do this and it's going to actually work. So do remember that if you're using a host and then they provide this kind of IP port, you can actually just skip the A record part. But if you want like use an A record, still you could just like still use that. So it could be mc aerocraft buzz, and that's pretty much it. You have to just click save, and let's just have a look at it. So just open MC server status, and let's just search for MC aerocraft buzz, and as you can see, it's actually working. That's pretty surprising. So yeah, that's how it works. And well, I said surprising because you know spaceship.com said 48 hours, but it started working. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, and that's pretty much how you use a domain through Cloudflare. So if this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe for more similar content. See you in the next video.